Not every trip follows the plan. Missing the bus on day 2 felt like a mistake.
They did not stop?
Until it became an invitation to slow down. Hey friends, welcome back to Serene Trails and Suitcase. Thanks for joining me. Today is day 2 of my Taiwan series, and we'll be exploring the northern part of Taiwan. What began as a small mishap unfolded into one of those quiet days you don't forget. Before we begin, a quick favor. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. It really helps this channel reach more fellow travelers. The city faded. The road curled into the mountains. My map looked tidy. The day did not. Instead of ticking boxes, I followed a quieter rhythm. Day 2 was meant to be Yangmingshan Park, the National Palace Museum, and Taipei 101. But travel has a way of reminding us that not every path goes as planned.
Go, bye-bye. Cutie pie.
And so, instead of chasing the landmarks I had written down, the journey gently led me here. To a quiet waterfall hidden in the fogs of Yangmingshan. From the bridge beside the falls, a set of broken, weathered stairs caught our eyes. It felt a little daunting, but curiosity pulled us upward. The climb itself became its own reward. Part challenge, part exercise, and a quiet reminder of how travel often asks for effort before offering perspective. At the top, the view was mostly hidden by trees and brush, but the journey gave us something else instead. A moment of laughter, a bit of sweat, and the kindness of locals who shared a short conversation. After realizing the trail led nowhere further, we made our way back down the same broken stairs. At the bottom, a small sign caught our attention, pointing the way to Yangmingshan Park. And just like that, we found ourselves back on the path we were meant to take. Eventually, I spotted the familiar name from my itinerary, Flower Clock Plaza. The reason I added Yangmingshan Park in the first place. Though there were no flowers in bloom, the park itself was calm and peaceful. Even without cherry blossoms, I took a moment to just relax and soak in the hush atmosphere. We were on our way to the National Palace Museum, but we missed the bus. Instead of waiting, we chose a detour, a garden we saw on Google Maps. That simple choice turned into its own small adventure, leading to the wrong bus and eventually the right one. The detour brought me to a place I had noticed on Google Maps. Even without flowers, I imagined, the quiet mountain views made it feel special, serene, intimate, and worth every twist that led me here. Before exploring Zhuzihu Lake, we stopped at a place nearby, Tsao Wonderland. The entrance was 150 Taiwanese dollars. We also ordered a creamy milk tea, a slice of beautiful cake, and even free sweet potato bowls, which made the stop unforgettable. All enjoyed with a peaceful mountain view that I absolutely adored. After the cafe, we finally stepped into Zhuzihu Lake, just along the roadside. Though the flowers weren't in season, the gentle river with the mountains rising behind it made the place feel calm and special in its own quiet way. Zhuzihu Lake left me with a quiet moment of peace before the journey continued. After Bamboo Lake, we hurried back to catch the bus just in time. Thankfully, we got on the right one, heading back towards Shipai Station in Beitou, ready to continue the day's adventure. Arriving at Shipai Station, we headed to Shilin Station first. Then took the bus toward the National Palace Museum. But by the time we got on, it was already past closing. Instead of feeling disappointed, we let the day guide us and discovered a quiet park nearby, a small haven to enjoy the rest of the hour before nightfall.
Oh, wow!
Fulin Park was small, but calm and peaceful, with monkey bars and a playground for kids. I even gave the monkey bars a try, though the day had already taken its toll. After a quiet walk, it was time to head to Shilin Night Market as dinner approached. From the park, we headed to Shilin Night Market. I grabbed a Chonghua Sim along the way, not the best choice with its slow forging. Soon, the market lights and food stalls set the scene for our dinner feast. The first stop was chicken, and I loved it. Perfectly cooked, tender, and with a unique wasabi flavor that made it unforgettable. Next was this king crab, sweet, fresh, and without that fishy taste. Simple but so good. Then came the barbecue.
Hi, one.
Scallions wrapped in thin pork. The flavor was a little strong, but I can see why many people would enjoy it. Taste is always part of the adventure. Next was xiaolongbao, one of those must-try treats in Taiwan. Steaming hot and full of flavor, it was simple yet so satisfying. Then I tried tanghulu for the first time.
Hi, this one.
Crisp, sweet, and a little too sticky. Maybe it will be my last time too. I was honestly worried for my teeth. After that, a watermelon drink.
Right. 谢谢.
Simple, light, and so refreshing after all the flavors of the night. Then came a little surprise, Taiwan roast beef with raclette. I couldn't resist. I've missed raclette so much. Tender beef paired with that rich, melted cheese. Next was cold milk mochi.
Coconut and peanut. 谢谢.
Soft and chewy. I especially like the peanut flavor. To end the night, I tried pure black tea with lemon, something I've always wanted. Refreshing, zesty, and full of flavor. The perfect way to close a feast at Shilin.
谢谢.
As the night ended, we found our way back to Shilin Station and caught the train home. From missed buses to wrong turns, day 2 was full of unexpected detours. But sometimes, those moments make the journey even more memorable. Have you ever had a travel day like this? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss day 3 of the Taiwan series. If you'd like to support future journeys, I've left my Buy Me a Coffee link and some travel resources in the description. Your support means the world and helps me keep sharing these stories from the road. Until then, see ya!